Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to restore browser sessions. If you accidentally close your browser or lost your open tabs, you can usually restore the previous session. So I open Google Chrome, then I have opened a lot of tabs right here. Now let's say I accidentally close this browser. Now what we need to do next is to reopen Chrome, then select the profile you're using. Now, what you can do, so this is a quick shortcut. So press Control plus Shift plus T to reopen your most recently closed tabs. So you can keep pressing it to restore more tabs, just like so. Another thing you can do is to click the three dots in the top right corner, then scroll down and select History, then go to Recent Tabs, and you can restore these tabs right here. So hover over that and click Restore Window to restore it. Now, if we're using Microsoft Edge, so let's open Microsoft Edge for example. So let's say I have a lot of tabs opened in here.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
If I accidentally close this, so what we need to do is to reopen Microsoft Edge. Then let's press Control Shift plus T to reopen those tabs. So again, just press Control Shift plus T to reopen those tabs. Next, you can also click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to History, then go to Recently Closed or Recently Tabs and reopen those tabs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.